Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to forget Wi-Fi network in a Redmi phone device. Guys, you want to forget your Wi-Fi network, so guys you can forget. And guys, now let's see how to forget Wi-Fi network in Redmi phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So first of all guys, I want to tell you, if you new in my channel, so guys first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting to forget Wi-Fi network. Then guys scroll, then guys you can see your Wi-Fi setting in your Redmi phone. So guys tap here. Guys you can see this Wi-Fi guys you have connected, and guys you want to forget, so guys you can see this arrow. So guys tap here and guys scroll. Guys you can see this red setting means forget network, you can see. So guys tap here and guys you can see your phone will be stop connecting to this network automatically, and then okay. Then guys you can see Wi-Fi network has forget it, and guys when you will connect, so guys you will have to enter password again. So I hope friends you have understood how to forget Wi-Fi network. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.